Hello everyone, welcome to my channel The Practical Cloud. On this channel, we'll focus exclusively on AWS Cloud. We'll start from the very basics and gradually move to the advanced concept step by step. My approach is hands-on and practical because real learning happens when you actually build, deploy and troubleshoot on AWS. So as said by Brian Tracy, continuous learning is the minimum requirement for success in any field. Whether you want to grow in your career or improve yourself personally, consistent learning is the key. So let's begin this AWS journey together. Let me first introduce myself. I am Rakesh Gupta. I have over 15 years of experience working in an IT industry. I am working in cloud and DevOps area from last few years. I have cleared multiple AWS certification. You can see them on my screen. In this channel, I will teach AWS the way it is used in real project. Whether you are a cloud beginner, an experienced professional, or someone who believes in lifelong learning like me, you are in the right place. As mentioned earlier, we will learn step by step. I have divided the content into multiple phases to make it easy to follow. So, to start with, we'll cover the fundamental topic. We'll see the basics of cloud, why AWS, what is cloud. We'll see the key AWS service, which is IAM. It offers the authentication authorization services. We'll see EC2, we'll see S3, which is an object storage service, and we'll cover a very basic and very important service, which is VPC, which provides logical network isolation. So those who are beginner, I know that you are not familiar or you may not be familiar with all these terms. Don't worry, we will cover all of them in a very detailed manner. Then we'll move on to some core services, which are like load balancers, EC2 auto scaling, very key service for high availability, RDS, which is a relational database service offered by AWS. Then we'll cover the monitoring, which is like CloudWatch monitoring and logging services, and DynamoDB as well, which is a NoSQL and very powerful database used by many projects. We'll also see the serverless functions or other serverless services offered by AWS, which is Lambda, which is a function as a service. We'll see API gateway, we'll see SNS and SQS, all those services and many more. We'll see under deployment, we'll cover the ECS, which is a container orchestration service. We'll see CloudFormation for the automated infrastructure deployment or other maintaining the infrastructure in an automated manner. We'll cover CI/CD services as well, which is AWS code commit and code pipeline, all those things. We'll also touch upon Terraform. So Terraform is not a direct AWS service, but we'll cover them as well. It's very important in current world. We'll see how do we provision AWS services using Terraform. We'll also see the Beanstalk, which is a platform as a service for code deployment. Along with that, at the end, we'll cover some good and basic architecture patterns. We'll also cover some other services like Route 53, CloudFront. In architecture patterns, we'll see how do we develop a high available solution, reliable solutions and all those things. So what's next? So in my next lecture, we'll start with the cloud basics. We'll understand what is AWS and why AWS and how AWS is organized. And then we'll start with the first AWS services, which is IAM, and then so on. So if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. If you want to learn more about AWS, please follow this channel. I hope you like my content. Thank you very much. We'll see you again.